Virtual surgical planning is three-dimensional based. So you can play around with the maxilla and the mandible the way you want. You can understand the role, yaw, and pitch. And when you have a multi-segmentation of the maxilla as well as adjunct procedures on the mandible. And let me tell you, the best part of this is, if you ask me, 3D printing and VSP go hand in hand. You and I know that.
Yes.
And the best part is that you can explain to the patient what he or she can expect after the surgery, including the soft tissue changes associated with 3D printing and virtual surgical planning. What started as a journey from orthognathic went on to inculcate the same thing in maxillofacial trauma as well as temporomandibular joint reconstructions.
Where is it good to start?
So for me, if a VSP is to be started in one's career, whether he's in the mid-level as a senior registrar or he's a consultant, you need to start off your basics with 3D printing in MaxFax trauma.
So can you also talk about the cost to benefit when it comes to implementation of this technology?
So the benefit and the cost, it is worth every penny for the patient, because otherwise we would be sticking on to using stock joints, which is going to be a disaster. If this was not there, where we would be doing the surgery, but the results would be suboptimal.
Yes.
Here we are not giving results. We need to give the best to the patient's quality of life.
Exactly.
So possibly, if you ask me, we need to get our hands wet, as you said, to make the management or make the person who's investing in this saying that I can recover what is there and we can go ahead and procure this technology.
Right. Is there anything that is relevant to the people who are listening to us that I have not asked you?
I think you have covered in a nutshell. You have been very precise in your questions. Let me be very honest. It's been a pleasure answering your questions. As maxillofacial surgeons, we need to embrace this technology. And if this technology is not available in your center, it's my request, go to centers where this technology is in use.